Good morning, Isaac Lynn Middle School families. This is Mrs. Rand kicking off our last week before fall break, the week of September 28, 2020. This morning, we will recite the Pledge of Allegiance and the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. We will observe a moment of silence. We will give you a few news and announcements, and then we will close out our morning meeting with a mindful moment to get us focused on the task that we have right before fall break. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I'm responsible for all of my actions and behaviors today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because. Let's recite the Isaac Lynn Middle School Citizenship Pledge. I'm responsible for all of my actions and behavior today. I will listen, do my work, and learn. I will respect the feelings, property, and rights of others. I will be a good citizen by doing what is right, not because I'm being watched by teachers, but because it's the right thing to do for myself and others. We will now observe a moment of silence. Here are a few news and announcements to kick off our week of September the 28th. Let's continue our celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? What is Hispanic? Traces back to our great grandparents.
MNPS middle schools will begin phasing in with 5th and 6th grade students who select in-person learning on Tuesday, October 27th. 7th and 8th grade students will phase in on Wednesday, November the 4th. In the coming days and weeks, Isaac Lynn Middle School will share updates on standard school attire, before and after care, safety protocols, and schedules. Friday, October 2nd is an MNPS Teacher Planning Day. No synchronous classes will be held. Remember that October 5th through the 9th is fall break. That's next week. All classes will resume on Tuesday, October 13th, 2020. In-person technology help is here. Centers will be open until October the 2nd from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. The closest locations to Isaac Lynn Middle School are at Jerry Baxter Middle School and at Donaldson Middle School. Parents, don't forget, it's not too late. The 2021 student handbook permissions must be signed. Go to www.mnps.org/handbook and click on the permission portal to update your child's permissions. You still have an opportunity to pick up your child's 2019-2020 yearbook. Pickup again will be Monday, September 28th through Thursday, October 4th from 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. If you need more information about yearbooks, please contact Ms. French at lisa.french@mnps.org. Parents, don't forget to email your child's teacher for your parent Schoology access code to check grades and assignments. Remember, this is the last week of the first quarter. Students, don't forget, you can't hide your pride no matter where you are. Don't forget to show your Lytton pride by being prepared for class, respecting the virtual environment, taking the initiative to improve your learning, being diligent and turning in assignments, and lastly, being engaged in classes. Don't forget, this campaign ends this Thursday, October the 1st. We will be giving out our first incentives right after fall break, so don't forget to rack up those points this last week. Don't forget, Isaac Lynn Middle school-wide morning meetings are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Videos will be available on the Remind app or at the Isaac Lynn Middle School Library website. No-cost breakfast and lunch is still here. They've made a slight change. Meals can be picked up at school from 11:30 to 1 on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. They're also delivering meals through the MMPS bus routes. If you need assistance, please call 615-259-INFO for more assistance. The Project Lit community is launching at Isaac Lynn Middle School. Project Lit is a national grassroots network of book clubs that focus on building community through reading and discussing culturally relevant books. Please reach out to our librarian, Miss Garrett, at catherine.garrett@mmps.org if you're interested in participating. We do have copies of the book available for students who are not able to purchase their own. The first book selection is Trevor Noah's Born a Crime. Don't forget, the I Believe in Nashville Challenge is still going, now through October 16th. Don't forget to log all of your minutes on the Beanstack app that is available through the Clever portal. I3 STEM Club is still going strong. Please contact Dr. Westby or Miss Donaldson if you have any questions. Don't forget, our NASA Hybrid After School program is still going on. For more information, visit the Martha O'Brien Center website or please contact 615-852-6112 for more information. If you have not already downloaded the Isaac Lynn Middle School Remind app, please make sure that you do so to keep up with all the current news and announcements going on at Isaac Lytton. We will close out today with our mindful moment focused on self-awareness and habits of mind. Don't forget, this is the last week before fall break. As a reminder, students, if you have not completed all of your assignments or you have missing assignments or tests, be sure that you email and contact your teacher to get those retakes done before Friday. Let's have a great week and remember that you are loved.